Marcellus Williams, whose murder conviction was questioned by a prosecutor due to new evidence, is scheduled to be executed Tuesday evening after the U.S. Supreme Court denied his request for a stay of execution. The court did not explain its decision, as is common for cases on its emergency docket. Justices Sonia Sotomayor, Elena Kagan, and Ketanji Brown Jackson expressed dissent by stating they would have granted the request to pause the execution. Williams, 55, is set to be executed by lethal injection at 6 p.m. CT at the state prison in Bonne Terre. The U.S. Supreme Court's decision came after Missouri's Supreme Court and governor refused to grant a stay of execution. Williams' attorneys made several appeal efforts based on new evidence, including alleged bias in jury selection and contamination of the murder weapon. Despite the prosecutor, jurors, and victims not wanting the execution to proceed, Williams' attorney, Tricia Rojo Bushnell, expressed disappointment in the justice system, valuing finality over fairness. Williams was convicted in 2001 of killing Felicia Gale, a former newspaper reporter. Recently, the top prosecutor in St. Louis County joined Williams' attorneys in requesting the conviction to be overturned after new testimony and DNA testing revealed evidence contamination. The case raises concerns about the risk of executing an innocent person, with over 200 individuals sentenced to death since 1973, later being exonerated. Both sides tried to intervene in Williams' case, with efforts to vacate his conviction based on new evidence ultimately unsuccessful. The Missouri Attorney General's office stated that new DNA findings did not exonerate Williams, as other evidence supporting his conviction remains intact. Despite new testimony from the trial prosecutor, the U.S. Supreme Court declined to stay the execution, leading to Williams' scheduled lethal injection.